Buying the wrong format turns a simple refresh into too much commitment. A root spray can't replace permanent color, while full color overbuys one visible part. Choose coverage, color change, or shine first. Number 5. Clairol Root Touch-Up 2-in-1 Color Plus Volume Spray. Running late with visible roots near your part or temples? I'd choose this for a fast temporary cover-up that also gives the hairline a fuller-looking finish. Because it's a spray, it suits broader visible areas better than careful, spot-by-spot work. That makes it practical for quick grooming before work, dinner, or an event. But it's still temporary coverage, not a replacement for permanent color. The spray format also offers less targeted control than a compact powder. So I'd skip it if precision matters more than speed. You should also pass if you want lasting color rather than another repeat-use product. Number 4. Madison Reed the Great Cover-Up Root Touch-Up Plus Brow Filler. If control beats speed, this compact makes more sense than the spray. I'd pick it for targeted regrowth, individual gray areas, and brow filling without carrying a larger format. Its powder design is easy to store and useful when you only need selective coverage. Because it washes out, you can treat it as a temporary grooming step rather than a color commitment. However, 6 shades still make matching an important buying decision. It also won't refresh your full head or remain after washing. Skip it if you want permanent results, broader color renewal, or fewer repeat applications. Number 3. JVN Revive Rapid Repair Bond Gloss. This pick isn't trying to hide roots or move your shade. I'd choose it when added shine is the goal and color adjustment would create unnecessary commitment. The clear, universal format removes shade matching from the decision, which keeps buying simple. It also fits into the shower with a brief 60-second leave-on time. So the setup burden is small, though you're still adding another step to your routine. More importantly, clear gloss won't camouflage regrowth, cover gray hairs, or add visible color. Skip it if your mirror problem is contrast at the roots. This is grooming polish, not color coverage. Number 2. Good Dye Young DYEposit. Want color upkeep without jumping straight to a permanent process? I'd pick this for refreshing or shifting your hue during a routine you're already doing. You use the semi-permanent tint instead of conditioner once a week, so it replaces a step rather than simply stacking onto one. That makes it a sensible match for periodic color maintenance in the shower. But the routine is ongoing, and conditioner substitution needs to fit how you already groom. It also isn't designed as a precise, washable root concealer. Skip it for permanent gray coverage or isolated regrowth. I'd keep it for broader color upkeep, not emergency touch-ups. Number 1. eSalon Custom Hair Color Set. This is my pick when temporary fixes have become a recurring chore and permanent color is the actual goal. Instead of choosing only from a shelf, you complete a questionnaire and upload a photo. Your hair goals and history then shape a professionally mixed blend, including developer strength. That added input is the reason to choose it, but it's also the main setup burden. You're accepting a higher commitment process than shower tint, powder, or spray. So I wouldn't buy it for occasional visible roots or a low-stakes color experiment. Pick it when you want tailored permanent color and you're willing to make the decisions that personalization requires. Choose Clairol for quick spray coverage, or Madison Reed for targeted powder control. JVN handles shine, while DYEposit maintains broader color. eSalon is my permanent color choice when personalization justifies the extra setup. Before buying, decide whether coverage should wash out, change your shade, or become permanent. Then check shade fit, routine frequency, storage needs, and replacement burden. I'd choose eSalon for committed permanent color, but Madison Reed is smarter for portable temporary coverage. If you only want shine, stay with JVN. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.